Hey guys, I'm making this video to show my progress from week 1. So guys, it's officially day 32 or 33, I don't know.
Life throws curveballs, and sometimes those curveballs come in the form of extra weight. I wasn't happy. I knew deep down I was capable of more, but change can be scary. This is my story of facing fears.
Trying to bring you down, but for real, you might as well give up now. Think you got a chance, but I don't see how. Got a real tight grip when I hold that crown. My life.
There's no one around me. I'm the only one running in the rain. It's just consistency and dedication to make yourself pull up when there is no one to motivate. Guys, so it's around day 71. So it's day 83 of my 90 days challenge. So it's day 88 of my challenge.
Better just